Dear passengers, welcome to Bandung. Please remain seated until we have come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Do not switch on your cellular phone until you are in the terminal building. And please pay special attention when opening the luggage bin as some items may fall out. Before disembarking, please check your personal belongings so that nothing is left behind. We would like to goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying with Lion Air.
Di kamar tadi saya bilang tadi dulu masukin asmara tadi deh ini saya di video bener oh. Itu mengkol terus